Are you wondering which photo editing tool is the best for you? Today we're comparing Photoshop, Photopea, and GIMP. All three tools help you edit images, but they each have their own unique features. Photoshop is a professional grade software used by many graphic designers. Photopea is a web based tool that looks and feels like Photoshop. GIMP is a free open source program that offers powerful editing options. Let's start with Photoshop. It's known for its extensive features and capabilities. You can do everything from basic edits to complex designs. It has a vast library of brushes and filters. However, it requires a subscription, which can be a downside for some users. Now, let's talk about Photopea. This tool is great for those who want a Photoshop like experience without the cost. It runs in your web browser, so you don't need to install anything. It supports many file formats, making it versatile. However, it might not have all the advanced features that Photoshop offers. Finally, we have GIMP. This software is completely free and offers many powerful tools. It's perfect for users who want a lot of control over their edits. GIMP has a steep learning curve, though, and may not be as user friendly as the other two. When it comes to key differences, Photoshop stands out for its professional features and support. Photopea is accessible and easy to use, while GIMP offers a robust free option. In terms of pricing, Photoshop requires a monthly fee, Photopea is free with ads, and GIMP is completely free. So, who should choose what? If you are a professional or serious about editing, Photoshop is the way to go. If you want something simple and free, try Photopea. And if you're looking for a powerful free option, GIMP is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.